reason. I feel like I'm in heaven. We still got a minute and a half. Chug,
oh my
bitch. Oh, hi, kid. When'd you get up here?
I can't. You're making me laugh. That was so weak.
Chug, I'm weak. That feels so much better when she let it out. That wasn't as good as I thought it would be.
Not bad though.
That's the difference.
What? She tapped it. It wasn't as good. Oh. You got candy? Woo, okay. Sorry, my bad. I got all my britches. Stay
like this. Like this.
Every bit counts. That's right.
That was little.
We're all baby.
Never.
That's pretty good. Cheers.
That was good. I feel like that was my best one.
That was really good.
That was good. I just sat up straight.
It's a baby.
A baby. Alright. That was strictly almost air. I swallowed a lot of air and then I just pushed her out. Not yummy. I'm gonna try it one more time, y'all. Okay. I'm feeling so much better. Let her out. Let her rip, tater, chip. Okay. That one felt little. That one felt like it was just gonna be like a gas bubble.
That was good.
That was good.
I liked it.
I like that.
Well, I still kind of feel one, but it's gonna be quiet, so I don't even know why I
Hold
tried.
it for a minute.
Okay, I'm holding it.
Because she's the only one that's got the farts.